Khao Yai. Hong two? Yeah, 206.
Quick pressure test. Cold, handy. A rainfall shower, that would be really cool in here. Toilet. Shower. You got a rockin' little bathroom here. Nice choice of colors, decoration. You got those blocks, that's pretty fancy. Very cool. Very cool. What's up here? What did we find? Something. We found some rejoice. We'll leave it up there for the next guy. Good piece of advice for the bum gun. You can clean that with your mouthwash and your toothbrush if you want. Not recommended. Let's see, I got a view here. Got a balcony. Got a chair. Right. But here you go. You got the telephone, you got the beds. You know, my OCD, that's gonna bother me. So we'll have to fix that right away. Let's see, we plug this. So, chin, where do we plug it? I always turn it up and it was almost at max, so. And put that there. Right. Let's see, I'll turn it on for you.
Definitely hard water. Water is hard. I remember when I moved to Vancouver the first time I took a shower. The water in Vancouver is so soft. You have to be careful how much water or how much soap you use, because you can't get the soap off. The water is not hard enough.
TV, fridge, air conditioner, OCD. Look at that. What do we got here? Yeah, storage and 2 bottles of water. That's probably the best thing you got going. An extra soap and an extra toilet roll. 2 extra soaps. Oh my, look at that. water. Oh yeah, great sliding doors too. Wow. Come on, you just gotta appreciate that. Everything works. The beds are comfy, pillows are soft, the bum gun is gentle, the shower works fine, and the shampoo smells amazing. You can easily get to Khao Yai National Park from there for day trips. There are hotels within Khao Yai National Park, but most of them are really expensive in comparison. Overpriced, I'd say. The Rose Villa Hotel is about half an hour away from the park gates. The town has most of the things you might need, like a scooter rental, lots of stores, and a small night market. I will definitely stay there again. The kind of honest hospitality I got from Mr. Gan is pretty rare.